Alvarado's Security Revolving Door, or SRD, is perfect for areas where a higher level of security is required. By combining advanced sensor technology with true quality craftsmanship, the SRD stands in a class of its own, making it a perfect fit for facilities where security is top priority. Typically installed at employee entry points, common application sites include universities, government facilities, test labs, and data centers. The SRD can be configured for entry, exit, or bidirectional authentication, allowing facilities to track occupancy totals in real time, so facility managers can easily see who is in their building at any given moment. The SRD is also intuitive for users. Once an authorized visitor approaches the door and presents a valid credential to the reader, they can enter the available compartment, at which point the doors begin to rotate automatically, allowing for a seamless entry into the facility with little disruption to throughput rates. In fact, since visitors can enter and exit the lane at the same time, throughput rates for the SRD can reach up to 44 people per minute. Once the lane is clear, the door returns to quarter point and is ready for the next visitor. The SRD also supports card stacking, so visitors don't need to wait for a person ahead of them to enter before they scan their card. The door will allow the same number of rotations as the number of scans that were initially accepted. The SRD is equipped with dual sensor technology that includes a presence sensor and a 3D camera sensor designed to not only detect visitors as they enter a building, but also to prevent unauthorized access. If an unauthorized visitor attempts to enter as an authorized visitor is exiting, the presence sensor on the entrance side will detect the unauthorized visitor and momentarily pause rotation before slowly reversing direction. Once the compartment is clear, the authorized user can continue exiting the building as normal. The presence sensor is also used to detect tailgating attempts. If an unauthorized visitor attempts to enter in the compartment behind an authorized visitor, the presence sensor will detect the unauthorized visitor and momentarily pause rotation and rotate backwards until both compartments are cleared. The lane will then return to quarter point. Piggybacking attempts are traditionally the most difficult type of breach to prevent. This is when an unauthorized visitor attempts to enter the building through the same compartment as an authorized visitor. These breach attempts are detected by the 3D camera sensor. The sensor can effectively detect objects within a 3D space to decipher between a piggyback attempt or an authorized visitor carrying a large bag. Once a piggyback attempt is detected, the door will momentarily pause before reversing direction. Once the lane is cleared, the authorized user can rescan their credential and enter normally. The SRD comes standard with many safety features that meet all federal, state, and local code requirements. In the event a visitor is stuck within the lane due to an obstruction, a manual reverse button can be pressed from inside the lane, allowing the visitor to easily exit the compartment. In the event of an emergency, the doors can break out into a book fold configuration, allowing for quick egress from both sides of the door. The SRD is equipped with a fail-safe, uninterrupted power source that will keep the SRD functioning during loss of power. The SRD is built with integration in mind, equipped with up to 5 external outputs that can be integrated to work with a building's interior lighting, camera systems, metal detectors, and/or climate controls, as well as its visitor management and life safety systems. Like other Alvarado secured entry solutions, the SRD replaces the need for additional security staff. The national average for a single guard is $38,000 per year, giving the SRD an average ROI of 18 months. Additionally, the SRD's high-quality construction effectively limits airflow from one side of the door to the other, potentially saving thousands in energy costs each year. This is particularly important for data centers who rely on advanced cooling systems to keep their server rooms operational. Every SRD is built to work perfectly for every facility and is designed to blend into any environment. A variety of options, including optional sensor packages, access control software, and finishes, are available to ensure each door is the perfect fit for its intended solution. Alvarado. Access the exceptional.